Itunga lo chalo katanga o Moroto municipality kesde nguri anete anuda ibore yenda imaikintos kese be jali anede jasiluda ayuara ibore dupo akoko nepeka yarito ipwakata bakaside ebe inamba ilude korana kinta kese be lui polisin nyesida inomi joitone sima gweta romame yenda ijauni.
In my life, they took almost an hour plus. I called this one is my witness when they broke me. These people are having even a gun. They are those who are using arrows when they are breaking. Even they are talking outside. When you communicate, this was my witness. I was even putting a call for a phone like this on the other one. These people are talking. They are saying you call them, but we know they will go back. And indefinitely they came only for 3 minutes. They left the house. The two enemies again came back. This one did I call you again when the people are there?
They had a gun. I would have killed so many, but I have arrows. Which I even tell them that I don't want to kill you. You just go back. Sincerely, and they go. Serikali, just help us.
Ani aramuni tungane adim. Ayang wajik kerai pontete yatipe. Ker kauntang tungal roko engedete awaya nyalomuna.
Kapolo. Anu kiro na da na boko yede kramana kinyo na roko yede pegadi. Ikote yede. Yana mbalu ya uniete to na lugu. Ralu ka iliko. Eta Mario tolo te patrol. Ebunya patrol ne. Mwingie ndani. Ani ala Mario to manaka hivi. Bia mwai. Kungola ya banga bo. Mtoke nje. Aye pona tangalte. Kaye nyayo. Etingitinga ton. Etingiton polido. Etingiton kain. Etingitel liu. Nyonya pukwen.
Kwenye dwara DC le ya itinuda ayuara otomano district lengare ni kintaria munetengi nada ayuara otomano katanga nyezda abuili pitunga achakara kiro nuda adodanar kwenye kotoke so chamte inera beite nara itunga lude kokoitelu nyezda rai lelo muntosa nepa nkatutu bena kech.
Come out and talk facts. Blame games, blaming security has not come. People raiding are only people. Some of you are beneficiaries of this stealing of cows from here, the goats.
I don't want
to mention some of you here because I might cause you problems.
Ajaro katanga nyesko pekwa ne ngini nada achudung kade delu nataria rito nepeka koko ido kopekwa ni itunga iwongono kezda atwakata osota itukunede parosa akwatat nyezda kokwa ranyuno karua jeito no lapalo sodito karua lo Apollo necholo ngelo C1 ngoni lo katanga nyezde bale be mamunyese jeni nede tubu notore kokola kalu.
But I don't know where these terrorists have come from. I'm very happy today we have a meeting with the security team where we have agreed that the place will be secured.
Ida noaitame itijido kwa ninga sitolu RDC nyezda buile pitunga ngunu lo katanga aina kini kesa lupoko anudo bere kesa itame sukunyikin police post oya pedo kwa natere kinoskai mokora nalo.
Security to come and put a police post here so that we have maximum security. We want to land here. You give us even if today tomorrow we start building a police post. Give us land. We set up a security here. So that we deal with those people who are taking nguli, those people who are moving reckless at night, those not taking children out of school. We crush all those ones. We get all the good people who are around.
Araide jaile panada itunga akorara lupoka nuda duko kine police post itunga iche kesida ajase buini kinos ebe ya une police post lo yape kede kesi elo mainte moi police na ikama kesi tai.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Moroto.